A panel of seasoned nature experts recalls a sudden blizzard trapping them on a cedar ridgeline and saving choices. They describe shelter improvisation with snow blocks, windbreak orientation, and minimal fuel to sustain warmth when supplies vanish. In another tale, they narrate spring river crossings, using rope anchors, Prussic progress, and patient timing. These veterans convert incidents into practical lessons like footing checks, energy conservation, water purification, and clear signaling priorities. The finale invites viewers to practice in controlled settings, record decisions, and slowly build confidence for real wilderness tests.